fans, welcome back to another episode of Is This a Side Hustle or Is This a Scam? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $700, $800 by just texting. Yes, sending SMS, sending text messages. It is alleged that you can actually make. Let me check if my mic is working. Alright. As I was saying, it is alleged that you can make over $700, $800 or even more by just texting from anywhere in the world, across the globe, under the sea, in Madagascar, in Australia, anywhere. And so I had to do my research and came up with about 20 to 10 websites. But I intensified my research and I narrowed it down to 4 basic ones that will pay you, that are very legit, and that will pay you by just texting. Texting with your PC, your laptop, even your mobile phone. Now, guys, based on my research, if you consider what I've been doing very valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. It doesn't bite. Nah. Turn on the notification bell. With that being said, let's go to the first website that can pay you over $300 or more based on how serious you take it like a side hustler. The first is textingfactory.com. Textingfactory.com allows business, it links businesses by just creating and sending text messages to customers. It links businesses with text message marketing professionals, and it allows business to create and send text messages to their customers. It's either you're a chat operator and you earn over $300 per week with the criteria of being fluent in English, having a PC, laptop, or just like I said earlier, a phone, but you have to have a top-notch internet connection. To get started, you just have to sign up, set up your profile. Now, browse for available websites in available jobs in the website, apply for them, and complete the jobs. And then you start making your money. But if you really want to be profitable, you need to find out those jobs on textingfactory.com that pays you nothing less than $80. So that by the time you work for by the time you get 3 jobs, $80 or more, within the end of the week, you should have made more than $700. Textking.com is the next website where you can earn over $300, $800 more from anywhere across the globe by simply texting and chatting. But what is required is that you have to be honest, you have to be very reliable, and whenever you are needed, you can come up. And then you have to be professional. And then one advantage is that you need absolutely no experience when working with textkings.com. With text121chat.com, you will be required to work at least 10 hours a week, and they pay about 7 cents per message, and that's about 10 to 14 dollars per week. In a week, if you're committed to working very well, you can earn over $400 to $800. All you have to do is to visit text121chat.com. The links are in my description box below. You will be required to pass a background check to start earning, and they will pay you either via bank transfer or PayPal or through check. Is now the first website on my list where you can make money that can pay your bills, settle some stuff. To some people, $300 is small, but to some others is huge. So it depends on how well you work to actually earn this money. So the first website is workingsolutions.com. On this platform, you can text, you can chat, you can watch videos, and then per minute, your money keeps reading. Per minute, your money keeps reading, unlike other websites that pay you based on an hourly rate. So basically, family, this means that the more you watch, the more you earn. It's dependent on how much effort you put in, just like I said earlier. The pay range typically is 20 cents to 30 cents per minute, depending on the call volume, chat volume, or whatever it is that you are doing to earn money. For a 40-hour work week, you can earn about $600. So visit their platforms and sign up, complete their test as mode of verification, and start afterwards. You will be paid via direct deposit or via check. Now we are at the end of another video. If you've considered this video very valuable, hit the subscribe button. It does some bites. Turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Until my next video, be good. Peace.